Hello, 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 hello. We go look for monkeys. Come with me.
I want to tell you something. Okay, we're going to go look for the monkeys now, okay? And when we see them, you're not allowed to touch them, okay? Do you know why? Because maybe they're going to bite our fingers, yeah, and we don't want that to happen. So, you know what else we must do? We must be very quiet.
We're going to walk in the forest to find monkeys. With you.
Put your hands on your ear. Listen, come here, guys.
Look at the game ranger.
Listen.
He will help us find the monkeys. And hear one.
Can you hear someone?
Yes.
Can you hear some wind?
Look there. The monkey. There's a monkey. You can see it. Look, there's another monkey. There. That black thing. There's all sorts of monkeys in here. Here. There you are. There.
You want to sit down, then you can
Wait.
He's strong, eh? Oh, he broke it. Maybe he'll turn around just now. He's dirty, eh?
I thought this was a monkey.
That's a funny monkey.
Yeah. There's a monkey. He's eating. He's there, monkey.
There we go.
There, in the tree. A monkey. I can't see it. I'm seeing it over there. He's eating in a tree. He's sitting in a tree. Look there. Over there. Over there. They look a bit like us. I love monkeys. Funny faces. I love their funny faces. They have such fun swinging in the trees and playing in the forest.
Look, he's holding on with his tail.
Why?
So he doesn't fall out of the tree. Oh, come have a look here, guys. Look there.
Small baby.
Baby monkey, eh?
I can't touch
Let's
him.
go have a look. No, remember we can't touch.
Not allowed feeding them or touching them. Because they wild. And they might bite us. He's eating.
What do monkeys eat?
Monkeys eat bananas, apples, oranges, yellow ones. You was running away. Bye, monkey. Bye, bye. 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 Bye, all of them.
Bye, monkeys.
Bye, monkey.
Say bye, Mark.
Bye, all of them.
Bye. Bye.
I only say bye, all of them.
Say bye, monkeys.
Bye, monkey.